how can you fix the situation when your photos are not loading on iPhone messages? Let me show you some things you can do, and if you're new here, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So of course, you need to make sure you have proper internet and a cellular connection, but more importantly, it depends on whether you are delivering the messages over the SMS, the SMS/MMS messaging service, or if it's over iMessage. Because you can change some settings for, let's say that you are sending images or receiving images over the carrier, which is the MMS. You need to make sure it is turned on inside of the settings. So you can go there, tap apps, and go to messages. And in there, you have the ability to enable the MMS for both or even more SIM cards if you have them installed, right? So that is something which you can definitely enable to make sure that it works well. Right? Then there are also some more things below in terms of the message settings, like you can send low quality photo previews, which means that the full quality of the photo will not be delivered, right? So you will only see a preview of that, which might decrease the quality, and perhaps that is something which you do not like. And yeah, there are also more things obviously in here, like you can make sure that you have iMessage enabled if you plan on sharing multimedia messages. But that kind of goes without saying, the iMessage works over the internet, and that is the platform where you can send audio recordings, videos, photos, whatever, which is usually not supported usually through the cellular text messages. But generally speaking, in order to get like the latest version of the software, you cannot really update your Messages app alone, but you can install the latest version of the whole iOS, which will also come with a new version of the Messages app. Like the only way to update Messages is to update your whole iPhone. So you can go to the settings and check out the software update section, and just in case there is something new and available to be downloaded and installed. So let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more tips and videos like this one, and I hope to see you later in the next videos too.